Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can import captions from your library into CapCut. So if you don't have any captions provided in the video, you can easily import it through for example, the caption is on your device or maybe or your computer. You can just use the import caption feature on CapCut. So you can start by clicking on this caption, and in here there will be this import captions option. So click on that and just find the captions that you want to add into the projects. For example, in here I'm going to find this one for example. So click on a caption and now it will loading the resources. Okay, just wait. And after that, you can see the caption will be added, will be imported into your CapCut, just like that. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button below. Bye.